In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Google Drive automatically with n8n. We'll build a simple, reliable workflow that takes a file from a path you provide and sends it straight to your Google Drive. If you're new to n8n, think of it as an automation tool where you connect nodes together to move data from one place to another. By the end, you'll have a repeatable setup you can trigger on demand. Start by opening your n8n Workflows area. This is where all your automations live. From there, switch to your personal workspace, so you're creating the workflow in your own space. Keeping related workflows together makes it easier to manage and reuse them later. Create a new workflow and give it a clear name so you can recognize it at a glance. First, add a manual trigger node. This lets you test the flow instantly with a single click, which is perfect while you're building. Next, add a read binary file node. You can do this from the plus icon and searching for the node by name. This node's job is to fetch the file from your system so it can be passed along to Google Drive. Open the read binary file settings and paste your file's address into the file path field. Use an absolute path so n8n knows exactly where to look. For example, point to the full path on the machine where n8n runs. If you're using a hosted instance, make sure the file is accessible to that environment, such as in a mounted directory or location the server can reach. A quick tip: avoid special characters or spaces in paths when possible, and double-check permissions if the node can't read the file. Now add a Google Drive node from the plus icon. The first time you use it, n8n will prompt you to sign in and authorize access. Complete the authentication so the node can upload on your behalf. In the node settings, choose the upload operation. Select the destination folder if you have one, or leave it at the default to place the file in your drive root. Make sure the binary property in the Google Drive node matches the output key from read binary file, which is typically data by default. Connect the nodes in order: manual trigger to read binary file, then to Google Drive. Save your workflow, trigger it manually, and watch the executions panel to confirm each step succeeded. When it's done, check your Google Drive for the uploaded file. That's all you need for a clean, testable upload flow using n8n.